part 8. So, Millie and I just just heard this like sound, and it's been a few days since we've last posted.
I have broke my arm just now.
Yeah, she broke her arm.
But we don't have the money. Well, we do have the money to pay for a cast, but we don't have to because I have this fuzzy sweatshirt on that is a cast.
I am so sorry that we haven't posted in like 12 years, but a lot of things have changed.
But we still haven't gotten done with that mystery.
Yeah. So it's been 2 years. Our things are charged. So we're gonna solve the mystery now.
Messed with them. It took them 2 years to charge.
Yeah.
And we're about to see how that happens because we also installed security cameras in these.
Yeah, because we also got a lot new things, and there's a lot more new clues, like a lot. There's so much more sticks around, which is weird because they have blood on them.
Yep. Wait, the
What?
paw print.
Paw print.
The paw print from 2 years ago.
Is it still there?
No.
Oh my gosh, the paw print's not there anymore.
It's dug up.
It's dug. Maybe Jack did that.
Jack, come here. Jack, did you do this?
He's tearing up a stick. Check.
Wait. Let's check the security camera.
So he's checking.
It was the cat. It was a black cat.
He probably didn't want us to see
He
the...
didn't want us to see the evidence.
Yeah. Well, good thing we hit a security camera right there. That's where you got it from. So... What? She was close to my head. Okay. Anyway. So let me just switch you guys. Yeah, I
Like
see.
the swings moved on their own.
What?
Which one the swings are moving on their own?
The sticks are moving by... Oh, the swings. Okay.
So we just figured this out. The swings are moving on their own.
And we have the ghost detector, but there's already a ghost by. We know that, obviously.
But we don't really care because we've dealt with ghosts.
We already know who the ghost is and everything, so we don't have to do that. Like 2 years ago we did, because we were too afraid that it was another ghost. So, yeah. Ah! Okay,
And we got bigger materials than the pesky tiny sticks.
yeah. It finally charged.
Like, look at this.
You want to film mine? Okay, so.
Millie! Show the me.
Okay, you're bad at filming. Oh my gosh, I almost hit you in the head. Ah!
Shit.
She literally smashed me. Okay, let's go check with that man because we haven't seen him in 2 years. So let's hope he's still there because our things are finally charged.
I think we can finally open that door. Ella? I mean, not Ella. Emma?
Yeah.
We've never noticed this door.
Okay. Just so you know, she has a friend named Ella. Okay.
What?
You have a friend named Ella that you hang out with all the time. So you call me Ella instead of Ellie. So, yeah. Okay.
Let's knock.